here at our homes, we are not happy because we have lost our children.
Okurujira ahamudumizo wa polisi ahabwa bwera division SP Tai Ramadani nagira ngo kucebere mbereji bagenderire kugira ngo bakatunga bazire babana bamushanju abayo cibwe bona bakahinduka ubusasingo.
Those ones who got banned unfortunately beyond collision. We are using scientific method of using the DNA.
Arikugambaho n'abazire abatakatunjire bana babo kandi bari kuteka ngo baryo mbana aba abayo cibwe bona bakahinduka ubusasingo bagira ngo bakirarikirire munonga aha kugira ngo tubakarebere bana babo ayi batwire.
In that we have got samples from both the bodies and we are getting samples from the relatives of the missing students such that we can identify the body to the family, to the right family, such that the bodies can be taken for decent burial.
I am among of the parents who lost their children at Blondor Biriha Senior Secondary School. I am still looking for my child. She's called dead, Trafe in Kabuo. I am begging the government to assist us in any way that they can afford. So I'm tracing to look anywhere, or we are waiting the government to tell us the procedures which we will follow.
I have come from DNA test, so I'm requesting the government to speed up these results, because the reason why I'm saying so, people are coming at our homes every day, so we are using a lot of money. So I'm requesting the government to take time to help us, because these days we are just bad off in terms of money.
We are still scared because you never know where they are hiding. But we are only confident that the government is in control. But even now, even when the government is in control, these are assailants who are doing hit and run.
Abana bagira ngo baberera nabateka ko bana babo ubundi barkwija kubazahura bwa nyuma yo kushoma ngo konga hato bamazire kwitwa baryo mu kuciramererwa kwa mani.
There was hope that this would be an important person in the future, because everyone has his own career. And before that career is achieved, you can't judge wrongly that she wouldn't achieve that.
Nero ashambara shatule musitule mushambere shuwa no kolohando lwa byareri. Inyengo kunanza malira mo hanu ninja mama ninja tata mura ya brutunga accident ya bro hotel. Amana ke ko yatunga gisibu cinga ne cice kwa sukuru sayanu tola hanu ngabula banu ngaba korent. Ngabulanga ngatsukira ngabulanga ngahika.
Okurjira ahari Lebo Obed ogunishe nkuru w'umwana orukumanywa nkabira Amina kandi oguna wakabaryomwe umurya babisugwa mahega ADF obatahirije mere rya rubiri ha secondary school nagira ngo babiri baza kuzikoma biro bw'umwana ogwe nuko kuzakoreba bakareba batahi batara bamwe na bamwe barikugira ngo mu biro kuza kuzika no gwabo.
We brought the dead body. Dead body was brought to our homestead, but before midday, after we were dug the grave, people appeared and said that the person you would have brought is not yours.
Ogunagira ngo bwanyuma y'abaturage aba okutwara umubiri bw'umwana ogu bagumire n'ekituro cy'eshami kitari mu kintu cyona ubwo barinzire birara rw'umwirwaro kumanya yabo umubiri bw'umuntu ogwe no gwabo.
And we are in misery. We are shedding tears. No dead body. That's why the grave is open to that extent.
Gashoko Muhindo Gerard ahabwa Sky TV agenshonga.